is March 2016 and I've made this rocking gun. Actually, those words are just too lame for this gun. This gun is so cool. I'm gonna have a lot of fun playing with this in Holi. Nobody's gonna survive with this gun. So, this is how you use it in sniper mode. Oh, somebody's coming. Nobody will get close to me with this one. And now there's this latest feature that I come up with for this gun is its stand. This stand is fully climbable and turnable. So before using the stand, what you do is you just turn this valve on. Yeah. Turn this valve on. Then shut it after some time. What this valve is doing is when this gun is powered, it's filling water into this. So it's really stable.